Create your composition. Add your music. Select your music layer and convert it into keyframes. Then press U to show up the keyframes and then click on the both slider and go to the graph section. And mark your beats like this. Create markers on the spikes for beat sync. And then delete the keyframe layer. After that, add your footage and split the clips. Now I will pre-compose all the layers and add Twixtor to make it fast. You can skip this step if your clips are medium paced. My clips are too slow, that's why I am adding Twixtor. Do the following setting for your Twixtor. You can adjust the speed value as per your clip. Pre-compose it once again. Then right-click and add time remapping. It creates two keyframes in the start and end of the clip. Just go to the middle of the beats and add another keyframe. Then select the first keyframe and copy it. And paste it according to the beat. Now select all keyframes and press F9. And copy this value graph. Make sure to stretch both handles the same. And do the same process for the other clips. Here I have only 3 clips, that's why I'm duplicating them. Now to make it better, we can add a zoom in and out effect. Just select your first clip and press S for scale. Now create 2 keyframes, one in the start and one in the end of the clip. Place another keyframe in the middle and increase its value. After that, select your keyframes and press F9. And copy the same graph as we did earlier. Now just select all keyframes and copy and paste it to other clips. If your character is not in the center of the clip, then you can also keyframe its position. Create 1 keyframe in the start and 1 in the end of the clip and adjust the middle keyframe. And make sure to copy the same graph for this too. To make things easy, I will use the Flow plugin for graph. And that's it. Now select all the layers and pre-compose them. Go to the pre-composed layer and add your color correction. And add your panning.